Namaste guys, welcome back to Checker Gamer. Today we are going to see how to download Visual Studios code. So guys, we click here and search for Visual Studio code, and then go to the first link. The link will be in the description also. Now click here, downloads. If you are Mac or Linux, your downloads are right here, and download for Windows. And it will be downloaded right here. So as it got downloaded, let me open it, and I accept the agreement, next, and choose your location. I set it as default, and I'll check this all guys, and install. As it will take a little bit of time. Yes guys, it's done and finish. So right here is available Visual Studio code. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Edu Gamer. Bye bye.